picture now the situation. I was just about to go out with Petra on Maya, and this things the bike feel a bit spongy. And guess what? Flat tire. Flat tire. Game over. So now we're gonna try to fix it today. Let's see what comes up. Right. So, motorist friends, I couldn't find the cause of the puncture. I can't find anything on the puncture. What I'm going to do now is give you the benefit of the doubt, go for a little ride, pump it up to a proper machine at a pump station, and we'll see how it behaves. Alright guys, I shall see you in a minute. I'll leave you here with Petra. Seems to I went to the pressure inflator. I inflated it, and it seems that seems that it's holding up. I'm going around, I'm trying a few maneuvers. I think it's better if we leave it for a little bit and see if it holds the pressure, and then eventually we'll decide what to do. So this is just about time for lunch.
Chicken and rice and carrots. Buon appetito. I'll see you in a minute.
So after an amazing lunch cooked by Petra, thank you Petra, I went to check the tire again, and check what I found. It's losing again pressure, so it means that it's an active thing. So using the old school trick of soapy water on the tire, you can see here that we located the source of the leak. So now we're gonna use a tire sealant and hope for the best, because it's the first time I used it and I don't have a clue. Alright guys, time of truth. Oh, it's Gareth, by the way.
Supervised it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What the fuck is going on? Is it working? Is it not? Is it supposed to do all this fucking fun?
But yeah, probably.
I'm alright, I'm alright.
I thought you got blown over there. Yeah, I think so. It's going in there, so...
Are we sure about that?
Yeah, have you got to empty the whole can in there, have you?
I don't know, it looks like it's emptying outside.
Oh, it's only a little bit of residue, a little bit of spermicide.
Okay.
Sorry, it's not good. should filter that a bit. Edit out.
It's already set up for children anyways.
Oh, is it? Okay, I'm quiet. Wait, slowly. So have you booked it in to get it replaced? But not yet.
No, yeah.
I would.
Yeah.
Well, it depends if you got the money. I mean, it's one of those things.
Money is not a problem.
Right, well, for me, the bike is the most, well, the tyres are most essential, aren't they? And
Yeah.
I hate to have a flat tyre and like ride it at 70 miles an hour, let alone 120. Not that I could go that sort of speed.
It's going. Is going in.
Yeah, it is going in.
Looks like I'm to the butt of the can.
Yeah. The thing is, I need to ride it now for 6 miles.
Turn it off.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Turn it off!
Snow is falling.
Oh! Hi, what do these friends? Our can sperm seems to have worked. Now we need to do. Alright, man. I didn't know that.
Read it before you use it, do
What do you
you?
mean?
It's all written on it. It's section 6 or
Do you think I
whatever.
should put
5.
more? Or
No, it's
Something
done.
like if you're supposed to empty it. Oh, if you've used the most of it. Yeah, that's it. Once the can is fully emptied, twist the red button off and unscrew. Ah, there you go. Drive immediately for at least 6 miles at max speed of 50 miles an hour to seal the puncture. You got a rider.
yeah. Snow is falling.
He's used most of it anyway, it's alright. I thought there was a maximum speed. It's maximum of 50 miles an hour. What the fuck? I think that's just residue. Anyway, I'm going to walk away. Leave that there. It's a little fade to black, fade to black.
Alright, great. Guys, thank you very much for helping. So it looks like, you know, like a set of a hardcore movie. So now we need to ride the motorcycle straight. Try it. Should have read the instructions. That he's holding the road, seems that he's holding the pressure, but only the time will tell. So I inflated it to the correct pressure, and let's see how it's gonna behave in the next days. I will keep you informed. Thank you guys. Ciao.